Good morning, adventurers.
Morning.
From another amazing day here in New Zealand. So the last time you guys saw us, we took that ferry down to the South Island, and we actually drove across to the western part of the island after we dropped off our van that we've been in, and drove through Arthur's Pass, which was
absolutely beautiful.
The drive was incredible. We made our way over to Fox Glacier, which is where we stayed the last couple nights in a hostel. But we went to the glaciers and we didn't actually film that. Josh and Ashley did, so make sure you head over to their channel to check out those videos.
Just 10 years ago when you were here, Ashley, right? A little bit more than that. She could walk right up to them.
Yeah.
Nowadays, there's only a viewing point and they're way up into the mountains, so you can't get close at all.
But you can do a helicopter tour up to it. So that's the way that you have to do it. Of course, that comes at a premium price tag, so we did not do that this time around. But if you got that vacation money, you should definitely do it.
You should totally do it.
All right, enough recapping. We are doing something very, very fun today. We are doing mountain karting.
Mountain karting.
What the hell is that?
Do you know what that is?
I didn't know what that was until we decided we were going to do it.
Well, we'll show you. We'll all learn together.
Yes, it's going to be probably one of the funner things we've ever done, I think. So stay tuned for that. So the resort that does the mountain karting is properly in the middle of nowhere. Check this out. So we've turned on a dirt road. According to the GPS, which has fallen off, we have 20 minutes on this dirt road.
Oh yeah, here we go.
We have made it to the resort.
We started at the bottom, now we here.
Now we here, y'all. And man, that was a journey getting up that windy road.
That was terrifying.
Look how far we've come. We were way down there. That was crazy, but look at these views. This is incredible.
Oh, it's gonna be so fun. It's a little chilly up here, but the sun is shining bright. I'm very excited. We can see some people coming down the hill already. It looks like a blast.
Yeah, let's do some mountain karting.
He's so hot, he's so hot, he's so hot, he's so hot, he's so hot. He's so hot, 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 he's so hot.
We're locked and loaded and ready to go real fast. Woo! No, don't do that.
How are you feeling after your first run?
It's awesome!
Woo!
You guys, this is so much fun. Very dirty, but one of the coolest things we've done, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely a must-do thing in New Zealand, for sure.
Yeah.
We also went down the challenging one first try by mistake.
Accident. And we all survived, so I think that means that we're naturals at it, right?
How you guys doing?
Woo!
Woo! Ready to go again?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we are back at the top, and we are about to do the long one. Woo! Let's go.
Yo, one cool thing about karting is it makes you look real attractive.
Holy cow.
Am I all black?
Yeah.
Oh, and look at this
Is
hair.
my face all dirty too? Oh,
No, it's
God.
because
You look
I
great.
keep having to get stuck behind all these jambonis, and so I'm just covered in dust.
Oh my God.
Y'all, you don't want to know what's going on up this nose either.
It's all over your neck too. Yeah, we're having fun.
Oh God, do you see that? Guys, I think we just figured out the real reason I'm getting so much dirt on my face. My glasses have a big hole in them.
Yeah, we realized that these are the wrong lenses.
What a mean joke somebody played on me. I'm so dirty.
I was like, here you go, Allison, use these.
Oh man.
Don't worry, kid.
You want to make me look like a fool. Yeah, look at this.
You guys, look at this insane view. Holy cow. It's a little scary, but amazing. We're just stopping for a little photo shoot. Are you guys having fun or what?
This
Super
is so
fun.
cool.
Yeah, this is so unique. Never have I done anything like this before.
Yeah, for sure. And look at this backdrop. Just can't get enough of it.
So we are all done with mountain karting. We got a little rinse off, so we're not quite so dirty. My little dirt Fu Manchu is gone. Jeez, you guys, I ate so much dirt out there.
Yeah.
But it was absolutely amazing.
One of the funnest things we've ever done.
Yeah.
Cannot recommend it enough. It was so much funner than we thought it could be.
It was amazing. We were thinking about adding on more hours because I don't think 2 is enough, but sadly, they shut down for the day, so we couldn't
Yeah.
do it. But if you guys come, maybe budget in more than 2 hours because I think you're gonna wanna go a lot longer than that.
It takes about the first hour to get used to it, and then the second hour, it's just like letting her
my
fly
God.
around the turns,
It's
man.
so
So much
fun.
fun. But anyways, we're actually staying at the Alpine Resort here in Cardrona. We were looking it up, and it's not really a city. They call it a hamlet on
Hamlet,
Google.
which we've never heard of.
And I had to look that up. So a hamlet is even smaller than a village, I guess. So it's basically just this resort and maybe a couple other places.
It's a pretty cool location, although we did have to go up that winding road to get here.
But it was a lot of fun.
Yeah. So this is mostly a wintertime resort. They do a lot of skiing and snowboarding and winter sports. But in the summertime, you can come here and do the mountain karting. And they also have mountain biking.
Yeah,
I don't think
not
we're quite
to
brave
do
enough for that. We saw some of the people going down the tracks. Oh my gosh.
They
it
got
looks
balls.
Amazing. We are in their little resort, so it's nice. It's kind of quiet during the summertime, but as you can see, it's beautiful and huge. We have our own, obviously, our workspace, which
Yep,
we've already
getting
set up.
stuff
We're getting
done.
stuff, but it has like a whole seating area. We're doing laundry because we got very dirty. They have washers and dryers here. We have our whole huge kitchen, and it's really cool because these are made with, is this particle board?
Yeah, it's like particle
now?
board, but it's weird because particle board's usually cheap feeling. This actually feels really sturdy.
Yeah, it's very sturdy.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah, it's even got like a little dishwasher.
Yeah, look at this little guy.
Yeah.
Isn't that the coolest? And it makes that little noise.
Yeah. You guys, I'm very excited. I'm warming up our lamb shoulder chops. We have become obsessed with lamb
Yes,
in
we're
New
gonna
Zealand.
eat as much as we can before we
Yes.
leave New Zealand.
It's a little pricey when you get it out sometimes, so we are trying it on our own. We'll let you know in a little bit how that turns out. Hopefully good.
And back here is our bedroom. Josh and Ashley's bedroom is just right over there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and simple, and we have a little view outside to some rocks. But if you look over to the right and the left, you can see a bit of the actual resort. There are also absolutely incredible views surrounding us when you go outside. It's just insane. We are so high up, and I can't even imagine what it looks like here in the winter, just all covered in white. Anyways, we've done enough talking. We're hungry from all of our downhill karting, so we're gonna start getting dinner ready.
Cooking. I read that if you kind of sear the meat and then put it in the oven, it's supposed to taste good. I don't know if it tastes better or anything. I don't usually sear meat before I do it, but I haven't also cooked lamb before, so I don't know. I'm just gonna do whatever the internet tells me. So we got that going. I got some veggies. I'm gonna put it all in this pan, slide it in the oven, and hopefully magically delicious food comes out. So we have our nice carrots and green beans. We actually had a kumara, but he molded.
Yeah.
I found out. We had been carrying him around on our road trip for a little bit, so we didn't use him, but that's okay. We got all these goodies.
Dude, this looks so good. I think it's gonna turn
I
out
think
really
it's gonna
nice.
be really good.
She was looking at some Pioneer Woman recipes and got all inspired.
Yep. She does all these amazing like one dishes, and so I thought, well, let's do that, but with lamb and make it super duper fancy. Well, the lamb and veggies are done cooking. Not 100% sure how great they're gonna be. They don't look quite as yummy as the other lamb we've had here so far.
Looks pretty good though.
It'll be
I think
fine.
it's
We
gonna be
did
good.
get some mint sauce. When we were staying with our friends Thomas and Sheena, they kept whipping up homemade mint sauce, but we saw this in the store and thought it'd be a lot easier, especially since we're traveling, so we probably shouldn't get all the ingredients, but we got this. We've got some risotto going and some meat and veggies. Dinner is served, but we're gonna end the vlog before you guys find out if it's any good, just in case it's really bad.
Allison's really self-conscious about the lamb not being good.
We've just had such good lamb so far. And
Yeah, the bar is set pretty high, but this does look pretty good, I think.
I don't know. I hope so. It's cooked. I'll say that. It's ready.
We have some wine.
Yes.
A toast
Some
to
wine.
mountain karting.
Oh, a toast to mountain
Ooh,
karting.
the
We-
mountain karting.
We want to do it again, but I don't think we will.
Oh, we're gonna search every mountain location we go to from now on. We will be looking up mountain karting because it was too dang fun.
So we're going to be heading to Milford Sound in our next video, which we've been dying to see. It's going to be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for that.
Good night, adventures.
We'll see you on the road.